What's shaking in the world of tech and innovation? Welcome back to Microsoft Sphere, where we dive headfirst into the most electrifying updates that are shaping our digital future. The news cycle never sleeps, and neither do we, bringing you the must-know stories before they hit the mainstream. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of developments that will have you on the edge of your seat. From groundbreaking advancements to critical industry shifts, if it's happening, we're covering it. Buckle up, because you're about to get the inside scoop on what's next. First up, we're tracking significant updates from Microsoft Cost Management, detailing crucial enhancements for July and August 2025. These aren't just minor tweaks. They're powerful new features designed to give users unprecedented control and insight into their cloud spending. We'll explore how these changes are set to redefine financial management in the cloud landscape. Then, we shift gears to the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence. A high-level White House meeting saw major tech players, including Microsoft and Amazon, making substantial commitments to AI education and skills training. We've got the details on what this means for the future workforce and the nation's technological advancement. And in a move that could reshape digital collaboration, Microsoft and the European Union are reportedly nearing a settlement on antitrust concerns involving Teams. We'll break down the potential implications of this landmark agreement. Finally, we've got a massive cloud savings deal struck by Microsoft with the US government that could save billions. Don't miss any of it. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're always in the know. Cloud costs just got smarter. In the world of cloud computing, managing expenses is as crucial as innovation itself. Businesses of all sizes grapple with budget constraints, demanding clear visibility into spending and strategic planning for the future. Unexpected bills are the enemy, and this is precisely where Microsoft Cost Management steps in, constantly evolving to help users optimize their resources. This July and August 2025, Microsoft has rolled out a suite of significant updates designed to enhance cost control and provide deeper insights than ever before. One of the most impactful enhancements is the support for assigning the partner admin reader role to service principals within Azure. This is a game-changer for enterprise agreement indirect partners, often referred to as cloud solution providers, CSPs. Previously, managing costs across multiple customer enrollments could be a complex, manual, and potentially error-prone process, often relying on shared credentials or interactive user accounts. Now, these partners can gain programmatic access to cost data across their customers' enrollments through their Partner Customer Number, PCN, using Azure Active Directory applications. This provides a secure, scalable, and automated way to integrate cost insights directly into their management tools, enabling real-time spend optimization. The ability to automate these processes frees up valuable time and reduces the risk of human error, allowing partners to focus on delivering greater value to their clients. For those who frequently use the Azure Pricing Calculator, especially for complex estimates involving multiple services, navigating the detailed breakdowns could often feel overwhelming. Microsoft has addressed this by introducing a simple yet highly effective collapse button for estimates. With a single click, users can instantly minimize the detailed configuration of all services, leaving only the summary line visible. This dramatically simplifies the view, making it much easier to grasp the overall cost picture without getting lost in the weeds. It's a small usability improvement that significantly enhances the user experience when planning and budgeting for cloud solutions. The updates also extend to new and updated offers aimed at cost savings and optimization, available throughout July and August 2025. These curated offers help customers identify opportunities to reduce their cloud expenditure. Furthermore, Microsoft has enriched its learning resources with several new videos covering both introductory and advanced topics in cost management. Whether you're new to managing cloud finances or looking for a refresher, these videos offer valuable guidance. The cost management and billing documentation has also seen continuous evolution, with new and updated documents released during the same period. For those who like to stay on the cutting edge, Microsoft encourages community involvement, including contributions to the Azure Docs repository on GitHub. Users can suggest edits, submit pull requests, or file issues, ensuring the documentation remains comprehensive and accurate. These updates underscore Microsoft's commitment to empowering users with the tools and knowledge needed to manage their cloud costs effectively. By focusing on automation, user experience, and continuous learning, Microsoft Cost Management is helping organizations of all sizes achieve greater financial control and operational efficiency in the cloud. These enhancements are already sparking conversations about improved partner workflows and simplified cost analysis for complex projects. Analysts are noting the strategic importance of such features in a competitive cloud market. Hold on tight, because the world of AI is about to get even more interesting. Next, we're heading to the heart of policy and innovation, as major players convene to shape the future of artificial intelligence education. AI's future, education and opportunity take center stage. In a significant development for the nation's technological trajectory, a high-profile meeting of the White House Task Force on Artificial Intelligence Education took place on September 4th. This pivotal gathering brought together key figures from the private sector, including Microsoft and Amazon, alongside task force members, all united by a common goal: to expand AI education and skills training. Hosted by First Lady Melania Trump, the event underscored the administration's commitment to harnessing the power of AI responsibly while preparing the next generation for its impact. First Lady Trump articulated a powerful vision, stating, "I predict AI will represent the single largest growth category in our nation during the Trump administration, and I won't be surprised if AI becomes known as the greatest engine of progress in the history of the United States of America." However, she emphasized the critical need for responsible stewardship, likening the approach to nurturing children: empowering, but with watchful guidance. This sentiment highlights the delicate balance between fostering AI's immense potential and mitigating its risks. Microsoft Chairman and CEO Satya Nadella echoed this sentiment, calling AI the defining technology of our time. He outlined Microsoft's strategy for ensuring AI's promise is broadly realized, focusing on three core pillars. First, empowering educators and students with the latest AI tools. Second, building essential AI skills through hands-on learning and accredited programs, recognizing that the rapid pace of AI development necessitates continuous adaptation. Third, creating tangible economic opportunities, enabling every American to validate and leverage their AI skills for career advancement. Nadella stressed that this integrated approach, spanning empowerment, skilling, and opportunity, is key to accelerating progress. To this end, Microsoft announced several key initiatives. They are expanding AI professional development for 2 million educators and providing AI skills training to 10 million individuals in underserved communities by 2026. Furthermore, Microsoft is launching a new AI skills credentialing program and investing in AI-powered learning tools for K-12 students. Amazon, in parallel, pledged to offer AI training to 2 million people and partner with educational institutions to develop AI curricula, alongside launching an AI Innovation Challenge for small businesses and startups. The implications of these commitments are far-reaching. By investing heavily in education and skills development, Microsoft and Amazon are not only positioning themselves as leaders in the AI revolution, but also contributing to a future where AI serves as a broad engine for economic growth and societal progress. The focus on accessibility and empowering underserved communities aims to ensure that the benefits of AI are widely shared, fostering a more inclusive and skilled workforce ready to tackle the challenges and opportunities of the AI era. The announcements have generated significant buzz, with educators and policymakers expressing optimism about the focus on workforce development and ethical AI deployment. Now, let's pivot to a different kind of high-stakes negotiation that could reshape how we communicate digitally. We're turning our attention to Europe, where a major antitrust case involving Microsoft's Teams is reportedly nearing a resolution. Teams' future, Microsoft and EU reportedly near antitrust settlement. In a development that could significantly alter the landscape of digital collaboration tools, reports indicate that Microsoft and the European Union are on the verge of settling an antitrust case concerning the bundling of Microsoft Teams with its popular Office productivity suite. This potential agreement would see Microsoft avoid a substantial antitrust fine by committing to sell Teams as a standalone product, separate from its Office packages. The settlement, which is understood to still be in draft form, reportedly includes stipulations that Microsoft will offer reduced pricing for Office packages that do not include Teams. Additionally, the tech giant is expected to enhance interoperability features, making it easier for its software to work seamlessly with competing products. These concessions aim to address concerns that the bundling practice unfairly disadvantaged rivals and limited customer choice. Sources cited by Bloomberg suggest that the European Commission decided to accept Microsoft's settlement offer following positive feedback from both the company's customers and its competitors. This market testing phase is crucial for ensuring that any resolution genuinely addresses competition, concerns, and benefits the end users. The final decision is anticipated within the coming weeks, marking a critical juncture in the long-standing investigation. The EU's investigation, which began after a complaint filed by Slack in 2019, prior to its acquisition by Salesforce, centered on allegations that Microsoft illegally bundled Teams with its other products. This practice, regulators feared, could stifle competition in the collaboration software market by leveraging the dominance of the Office suite to push its own communication tool. Microsoft has been engaged in discussions with the EU for some time. In July 2023, when the European Commission was considering formal charges, a Microsoft spokesperson expressed the company's willingness to cooperate and explore pragmatic solutions. At that point, Microsoft had reportedly offered to stop automatically installing Teams on devices for Office customers, but negotiations faltered over the scope of these concessions, whether they would apply only within the EU or globally. In a significant move in August 2023, Microsoft announced it would begin unbundling Teams from its Office and Microsoft 365 suites for customers in the European Economic Area and Switzerland. This action was seen as a proactive step to address the EU's antitrust concerns. By May 2024, Reuters reported that the European Commission was leaning towards accepting Microsoft's revised proposal, signaling a potential breakthrough. This reported settlement represents a major step towards resolving a complex regulatory challenge for Microsoft in one of its key markets. It underscores the increasing scrutiny faced by large tech companies regarding their market practices, and the EU's continued focus on ensuring a level playing field for digital services. Industry observers are closely watching this development, anticipating its impact on the broader market for productivity and collaboration software. And speaking of massive deals, get ready for some staggering numbers that could redefine government IT spending. Our final story takes us to the U.S. government, where a colossal cloud savings agreement has just been announced. Billions saved, Microsoft seals landmark cloud deal with U.S. government. In a move poised to deliver substantial financial benefits to federal agencies, Microsoft has announced a major cloud savings deal with the U.S. General Services Administration, GSA. This agreement, set to run through September 2026, is projected to save the government over $6 billion on cloud computing and productivity software. The initial year alone is expected to yield approximately $3.1 billion in cost reductions, showcasing the immediate and significant impact of this partnership. The comprehensive arrangement allows various federal agencies to procure Microsoft's core technology offerings at reduced prices. This includes the widely used Office Productivity Suite, robust Azure Cloud Services, Dynamics 365 business applications, and the critical Sentinel cybersecurity software. The GSA, which manages an estimated $110 billion in annual procurement for common goods and services, with a substantial $80 billion allocated to it, sees this deal as a cornerstone of its One Gov strategy. This initiative aims to centralize technology purchases, driving down costs and streamlining the adoption of essential digital tools across government departments like NASA and the NIH. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella has consistently emphasized the company's role as a long-term partner in government modernization efforts. In this competitive landscape, where rivals such as Alphabet, Amazon, Salesforce, and Adobe are also vying for federal contracts by offering discounts, Microsoft's substantial savings proposal clearly positions it as a key player. The inclusion of 1 year of complimentary Copilot AI access for workers utilizing Microsoft 365 G5 subscriptions is a particularly attractive incentive, offering agencies a glimpse into the productivity gains of advanced AI tools without immediate additional cost. This deal highlights a strategic shift in how governments procure technology. By consolidating purchases and negotiating large-scale agreements, agencies can leverage their collective purchasing power to achieve significant economies of scale. This not only benefits the taxpayer by reducing expenditure, but also ensures that federal bodies have access to cutting-edge technology necessary for their operations and modernization initiatives. The projected savings are substantial and are expected to free up significant budget for other critical government functions or further technological investments. Analysts are closely watching how this model might influence future government IT procurement strategies. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Stay tuned for a quick recap and your call to action. That was a whirlwind tour of the latest and greatest. We saw Microsoft Cost Management rolling out major updates for July and August 2025, putting more power in your hands to manage cloud spend. Then, we dove into the White House's AI Education Task Force meeting, where Microsoft and Amazon pledged massive investments in skills and training for the future. We also covered the potential antitrust settlement between Microsoft and the EU regarding Teams, which could change how we access collaboration tools. And finally, a massive win for government efficiency with Microsoft securing a multi-billion-dollar cloud savings deal with the US government. Don't miss out on any future updates. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, leave a comment telling us what you think, and follow us on all our social channels. We'll see you next time on Microsoft Sphere.